कैसा रहा आपका इवेंट?
This event was a game changer for me.
To be honest, like I've been to a few hackathons, but none were as good, as well organized as this one.
कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको?
It's a dream come true. I was in fact not going to come. Like I filled the form just by chance. I just found it and I was like, ठीक है भर के देख लेते क्या होता है. And I am glad I did that.
I mean, for the last 24 to 28 hours, the energy in the campus has been buzzing like crazy. I mean, you name the biggest of the brands, be it Y Combinator, OpenAI, Emergent, Anthropic, all of them were here, right? And
तो कैसा फील हो रहा है आपको?
Of course, excellent. So, to be honest, like I've been to a few hackathons, but none were as good, as well organized as this one. Polaris did a very good job providing the entire infrastructure. Of course, the students over here were pretty helpful. The first 10 users were bought by a student of Polaris, actually. Wonderful kids over here, wonderful environment, and an amazing opportunity. Grateful to be here. Thank you.
क्या सीखा आपने इस इवेंट से? आपको लगा था आप जीतोगे?
So of course not. I tried my best to build the best product. That's what everybody was doing over here.
Yeah.
Apart from winning, I think the best takeaway is meeting a lot of good builders over here. So yeah, grateful to meet all of them.
कैसा रहा आपका इवेंट? कैसा एक्सपीरियंस और क्या सीखा आपने इस इवेंट से?
So this event was a game changer for me, even though we didn't finish in the top 3, but the amount of conversations and the learning experiences that I've had in the past 2 days has given me a lot of wisdom which I'll carry with myself back home and work upon it and become a better person and a better vibe coder.
I'm glad the students are getting this opportunity at such a young age, meeting such stalwart builders, VCs, engineers. Amazing work done by everybody involved. I've heard really good stories about the hospitality which the students have shown. Wonderful job done.
क्या सीखा आपने इस इवेंट से?
I think one thing I've learned personally is that in spite of being a non-coder, I can now build really sophisticated things, really complex things. I don't need to pull myself back there. And I think like what I also learned from others is that there's so many ideas floating around, so many ambitious people around that there's like I would want to be amongst them as much as possible.
All the best, man. All the best for the future. Thank you.
I think for me the biggest learning in general was कि I think vibe coding, I mean like ठीक है, for the term of it, it's more like a revolution. We saw so many of these demos. People who are coming from different professions, healthcare, farmers, who are actually starting to build apps. That was never possible before. Like 2 years ago, if you think about it, a farmer can code an app. No. But today it was possible, and they actually presented in the VibeCon on the main stage. So I think that's a substantial win for everyone, the whole ecosystem, that we're bringing more and more programmers on board.
आपने क्या सीखा? अब क्या आपको लगा था आप जीतोगे?
हमें सोच के तो यही आए थे कि जीतना है, कुछ भी हो जाए. लगा भी था.
Our feedback.
बट हाँ, आई थिंक पावर ऑफ वाइब कोडिंग इज रियली गुड. नए मॉडल्स आते हैं. yesterday there was Cloud 4.7. तो I feel like what we did in 48 hours, if we were to do it like on a chill day, we would not have done it. But since we pushed and then like burnt all the credits and all, we were able to see something real.
कुछ एडवाइस जो ऐसे इवेंट्स में जाना चाहते हैं, जीतना चाहते हैं, ऐसे लोगों के लिए कुछ एडवाइस?
I think it comes down to कि I mean like execution for sure matters. मतलब आप पूरा सब कुछ अच्छे से बना लोगे. Being a developer, the biggest learning is कि आपको कहीं ना कहीं थोड़ा सा पिच पे भी काम करना है आपने, कि you are not supposed to just develop and assume कि users आ जाएंगे या लोग excite होंगे उस product के लिए. You need to work hard to actually build the excitement for that. Prepare for that presentation, prepare for that pitch, and sell it really well.
I think from what I understood, a lot of people build very, very good projects, but they were using a lot of technical terms, and जो कि it's very difficult to explain to the judges. So I think, like he said, कि how you present your idea matters a lot.
जहाँ पे हमने शुरू किया था हम वापस वही आ गए हैं. ये इवेंट ख़त्म हो चुका है, राइट? आई नो मैं भी सैड हूँ, तुम भी सैड हो, बट ये इवेंट खत्म हो चुका है। इस इवेंट में बहुत कुछ हुआ, हमने बहुत फ़न करा, हमने नए लोगों से बात करी, हमने फाउंडर से बात करी, हमने इन्वेस्टर्स से बात करी, हमने बहुत कुछ सीखा और इनसे सीखने लायक भी था। बहुत मज़ा आया, एक्साइटमेंट तब भी बहुत ज़्यादा थी, अब भी बहुत ज़्यादा है और आई होप ऐसे इवेंट्स होते रहेंगे। आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, स्टे ट्यून्ड, कीप वॉचिंग।